Hey everybody, welcome to Always Alyssa. I am on the beautiful big island of Hawaii on a vacation right now, and I can't wait to take you guys along. The first thing we're gonna do is go on a hike. The hike we're doing starts about right where I'm standing, and it goes all the way down to the beach. Looks like we're getting closer already. Look at this. It's getting pretty steep over here. This is a good hike. It's pretty tricky. We finally made it down, and now we're actually seeing some of the black sand. It's so cool. We're gonna go look at the valley and then we're gonna look at the beach. Look at this amazing view of the valley. It's so pretty. Wow, this is so amazing. Look at that cliff over there. Okay, so we just finished our hike. It was like super sweaty and I'm still kind of sweaty from it, but we just did a little drive and now we are at the northernmost tip of the entire island. So let me show you guys the view. Look at this. It's kind of windy, but it's super awesome out here. Also, something else really cool, it might be a little bit hard to tell, but basically where those clouds are over there, starting about right there, and then ending over there, is the island of Maui. Look at this view, you guys. This is so cool. And the waves are so big here. You guys, there's whales out here. They keep on jumping. It is so cool. We're on a trail right now looking at this village that's over 600 years old. Hey everyone, it's the next day and we're going on another hike. This is so pretty. Look at this cool tree. There's so many vines. Now we're stopping by the zoo. We're about to go on this super cool hike and it starts off with these super steep stairs and we're gonna go down to some lava caves. It's very dark in here and we're kind of making it to like the, oh my gosh, the end of the cave, and I kind of have to crouch because it's pretty short. Okay, so like we're like super far in the cave. We went past like as far as we thought it could go, but there's still people like way down there. It's just like pitch black. So crazy. How smooth this is. You guys, look, I finally found the ferns that closed. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've been wondering. Ready? Watch this. It closes. When you touch these leaves, these little ferns. That's so cool. Oh my god.
Too late.
We finally made it. This is gorgeous. Wow. So cool. We stopped on the side of this pretty road to see a waterfall. Check it out. We just finished eating some food. We went to Dairy Queen and we also got some burgers at this other little restaurant. Oh my gosh, my hair is so messy, but we just got to this super pretty place. We're going to a chocolate farm. Look at the palm trees. And we just drove on like a huge road that went all the way down there.
And our car went super fast.
We went very fast.
Nice chickens! Yay!
These are real cacao fruits. This is so cool. They have over 20 acres here.
These flowers are from layers, creating more of protection.
it thinks it's cold, right? But a thick. Doesn't want to do this all day. Alright? But yes, that you guys, look at you guys. You guys want a job on a chocolate farm?
This is 70% dark chocolate. We get to sample it. This is 70% dark chocolate. This is milk chocolate with vanilla. We stopped on the side of the road because there's some goats out here. You hear them? They're so cute. Look, there's 2 little baby ones. Okay, we're at Scandinavian Shave Ice right now. I'm so excited because we're gonna get probably the best flavors, but also the biggest shave ice they have. It's like this big. It's gonna be awesome. Look at everybody's great flavors.
Oh my god.
Come over here. I got the flavor over here.
It is so cool. Oh, that looks so good. Flavor. Yeah, look at baby.
Yeah. But every time
I got a little cup of mochi. So cute. We almost finished it. We have just a little bit left. This is my bowl. I got so close, but it was so good. Okay, my lips are like totally still blue from the shave ice, but I was gonna say the Scandinavian Shave Ice place is absolutely amazing, so be sure to check them out. We're eating some pasta for dinner.
yeah.
We stopped at a bakery. Chloe's standing on this chair. Look at you. Look, no hands. Look at you. Oh my gosh, Chloe. She's just standing there. Wow, you're so brave. Look at you. We're feeding her a little bit of this malasada we got.
It's the guava one.
The pink one. I think she likes it so far.
Yummy.
What do you think about that? Now we're at Volcanoes National Park. Look how pretty this little trail is. And we're gonna go see the eruption that's going on. Whoa, on my phone I can see it bubbling. Whoa. Ooh. We're in the lava tubes right now. This cave has some lights in it so you can see a little better. We went on this little trail to look at some more lava and see the sea cliffs have lava on them. It's gonna be so cool. There's like so much lava around here. It's so crazy. I mean, just look at this. Crazy. Look how pretty it is. Look at the arch. We're walking in a bunch of lava rocks right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this part right here is blue, green, yellow, and like red. It's like a rainbow in the rocks. Look at this super cool lava formation. There's a lot of steam vents over here, and we stopped to look at some ones that are super up close. Look how cool this is. They're literally steam vents from the volcano because there's magma under us right now. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's literally so hot when you go inside.
Okay, my prediction how many degrees?
It's so warm. Wow, look at this one. You know, I bet from the steam, I bet all these plants get a lot of water.